Yes, FM!
Charm Fabric Conditioner with Bloom Fresh Technology. May antibacterial na at ka-bloom sa bango ang damit. Charm Fabric Conditioner, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified, world-class quality.
ACS!
Mocha Frap for... aray! Sakit na ng katawan ko. Wait lang sa orders po. Time out na naman. May ekstrang panlaban dyan. Ang kilala mong Alaxan, extra galing na. New Alaxan Extra. Wow! Mas pinagaling pa? Oo, pina-extra bilis. Up to 3 times faster versus Alaxan FR.
Extra large cafe latte for Mira, Mika, Marielle, Neps, Rap, Carl, Ginny, Joey, Ryan, Mikey, Dan.
Extra galing para extra ka rin. New Alaxan Extra. Unilab quality yan. Paracetamol ibuprofen is the generic name of Alaxan Extra. If symptoms persist, consult your doctor.
Ang kinis na niya?
In fairness, nag-glow up.
May budget? So solid! White Rose Papaya, wow! White Rose! White Rose Papaya, wow! White Rose! White Rose Papaya! I glow up with White Rose Papaya!
Sulit ang glow up sa White Rose Papaya. May papaya, niacinamide para sa puti power times 2, plus shea butter and tea tree oil.
Glow up with the power of 2.
White Rose Papaya. Puti sulit ang glow up. Regular use helps. Results may vary. White Rose Papaya. Manufactured by ACS ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS!
Pag madalas pagod at puyat, prone sa anemia. But with United Home for Sulfate Iron, may tulong iwas lata, hilo at putla. May healthy blood for a healthy glow. With proper...
Gikan siya og Manila kay nakuno siya asikaso.